Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Today we have a Mercedes key fob. This is from a 2006 Mercedes E350, but Mercedes made this for multiple models for many years. So if your fob looks like this, I'll show you how to change the batteries in this. This is very tricky, so this is going to be a great video. This one's a little difficult, so there's a process you have to go through. First thing is to get the valet key. There's a hidden key in here. And the first thing you have to do is slide this over. We got dirty hands today. We worked hard, so I'm going to slide that over and pull the fob out. So that came out. So now to get this open, this is like a case. It's not two pieces. There's an outer shell and then there's an inner piece. And if you look inside that gray area, you want to get your valet key. And you want to stick it in there. And you push right there. That releases a lock. And when you do that, you can see the top piece has a little separate piece there. You want to get your nail in there and pull that off. It's better if somebody is putting their nail in there while you're putting the key in. But I'm going to try to do this myself. Put that in. Got my nail in there. And it came out. Now, I've already taken this apart, so it was a little easier for me to do. But if this hasn't been replaced in a long time, it's going to be hard to get your nail in and press that thing at the same time. So, but that's what you have to do. Probably take you a little longer, but that's how it's done. Now we have the inside. The battery is held on by a strap. Now there's actually two batteries in here, which is very unusual. You want to remember where the positive side is. The white side's positive, black's negative. There's nothing on that. So you got to get the strap off. And if you look, this strap rides through the plastic. There's a little tab on there. I'm going to press that. Got to be creative now. Put your thumb on that. I'm going to pull that out at the same time. Comes out pretty easy. It's not very difficult. It's very light metal. There you go. Get your batteries out. Again, it's two batteries. Highly unusual. And that is CR2025. You can get these at any pharmacy or hardware store type store. Then we're going to get the new ones, put them in, same way. Remember where the positive is. Put that in. And then we're going to put the strap in. You got to remember, you can barely see it, but there's a little slot in there. Right in that plastic, believe it or not. You can see it right there where my finger's pointing. We're going to get that in there. Okay, you got to push it. And then it locked in so the batteries don't fall out. I don't know how secure that is, but it's just enough to hold it so you can get it together. And we're going to get the fob. We're going to put that in. Don't force anything. If you're doing it the wrong way, don't do it. Slide it in. It doesn't feel like it's going, so we're going to flip it. Nope. It is that way. Push it, click it down. Put the valet key back in. Boom. Now we have a working key fob. Battery's changed. We're going to go test it. And I'm sure it's going to work. Everything is fine. And that's how you do it. Joe Beermaster. If you like this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And share the video. Anybody with a Mercedes. Thanks for watching. Take care.